What a beautiful day to disbud some babies and tattoo. Woohoo! Yay. It's Monday and it is so nice. I'm so happy. Mom, aren't you happy?
So happy. And look, the chickens are happy.
Chickens are happy. Everyone's happy. We're going to let the girls out and we're going to tattoo Party's babies. And we're going to disbud Irish's baby and get things done. Oh, and they're getting their CDT shots. Irish's baby? Yeah. So.
No, not Irish. Parties.
Right. Yeah, Party's baby. So. The sun is taking my brain. Okay, that's all I can think about. We have a pear that's rotten, and we were gonna feed it to the chickens, but it is very rotten. So I'm gonna throw it in the manure pile. Now, if the chickens find it of their own fruition, then so be it. So goats, to be registered, they have to be tattooed as their scrapie's identification number. And so one ear has the farm ID, which is usually a combination of letters. Ours is WFW because WWF for Wild and Farm was already taken. And the other side is whatever. Say hi, boys. Oh, there's Stag. He's the daddy of the week. That's Irish's baby, and Scarlett's babies that haven't been born yet are from him. Anyway, the left ear is the year's assigned a number, or not a number, a letter. This year is M. Last year was L, which I'm gonna double check before we do, but I'm positive that's it. And then just whatever order they were born in. So Party's babies are going to be 1, 2, 3. So M, 1, 2, 3. And that's that. Okay, we can't get anything done with this little boy. He is so cute. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so registered names are always kind of funny. Like, her registered name is Irish Tea, and she's out of chai tea, right? Who's out of a hot tea. So there usually is a theme, and then you usually don't call them by their registered name. So his dad's name is Stagley, and we call him Stagley. So sometimes you do. But him, we're keeping him as a buck. And so he needs a really cool name. So we've decided on Jurassic Park. It sounds so funny when you're trying to explain it.
What's cooler than that?
Anyway, his name's gonna be Jurassic Park. We're gonna call him Parker. And then hopefully all of his babies will have dinosaur-themed names. I'm super excited. If that's weird, I don't know. I think it's epic. Huh, Irish. Do you like Parker? I think we do. All right, Parker's first time up on the lap. Look at that curly tail. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, look who figured out how to eat animal crackers.
Your brother wants some?
Little monsters. Oh, here's a little Tadpole.
They're a bunch of cookie monsters.
I think. Ooh, he's getting the butt cheeks. Not amused.
He was pretty good.
He was very good.
Alright, I'm sure I got him.
Look at these chickens. They have dug themselves into the ground. Alright, now I'm just scrubbing out the water trough with this grill cleaner. So here's before. Okay, now this chicken is like flat. She's buried herself down in the dirt. That is so funny. Okay, I'm cleaning stalls. I just finished this stall. I just poop in that corner. And now I'm cleaning this. Can you tell? Let me back up. Can you tell? Do they have a favorite spot to poop? Or what? I'm also filling the water trough over there, so I have to keep an eye on that. And the horses are eating grass in the round pen. Okay, and the stalls are done. And we've got a big wheelbarrow of poop. Go out. Okay, here's our broody hen saga. We just picked her up out of the box and put her out here, and she is so mad. Look at how puppy she is. Oh my gosh, Mom, look at how puppy she is. I love it when she runs. It's so cute. All right, now we're gonna check on the water because I am notorious for letting it overflow. Okay, so it's good. So we hooked their bucket up because they keep dumping it over, but we came out here and it's like all empty and has hay in it. Like they've messed with it until they've splashed it all out. Because I just can't imagine they've drank all that.
Yeah, we'll see.
If you can't tell, we're down to $3. We sold Legolas and Ray. Right, they went to their new homes last week. And I'm just off to dump this. You want to run? Look at him. It's so cute. You're just a cute boy. So are you, Mr. Stunning? Look how majestic. Snoopy, you're just majestic. Like if Santa Claus was majestic. Oh. Okay, this is Parker's first time being out in the barn. What do you think? Oh, it just smells. Look at his moon spots. He got disbudded today. But he doesn't seem to care at all. Oh, you're gonna go meet a chicken? Oh my gosh, he's so cute. We're gonna milk Mom. Her udder's uneven. Because she only had one baby. Can you imagine if she'd had two? I don't know if I could handle it.
You would have been in love with 2 babies.
I know, we would have to keep 2 of them. We need to clean off her tail too. She's got gunk on it. Oh, that's some nice poop. Poop's very important.
Yes.
And it's very important to have nice poop. Oh. Oh, my timer's going off. We need to get the horses in. I need to get my horse in. He's been out there for 30 minutes. Is he gonna come say hi to you? Oh my gosh, he's kind of like his mom. Very cautious. See, like her udder is a tiny bit lopsided, but we'll milk her tonight. Okay, so we've worked the horses, we gave the babies their shots, and we tattooed, and we disbudded, and we cleaned the stalls, and we filled water buckets, and we cleaned the trough, and that's about it. Yeah, and we let the girls out. I think we're done for outside. We got a lot of inside stuff to do though. But it's so nice. Girls, anything to be outside. They love this little house that needs some serious work. But we're back to gray and windy and wet again. So no more sunshine for us this week. What day is it? It's Tuesday. So I came out to this. Scarlett did it all by herself without making any noise. I thought there was a cat in here. And so I was coming in here to see what the heck was, why was there a cat in her thing? And it's not a cat. It's baby. I mean, the sound is on, right? We have a camera watching her.
I thought it was on.
My gosh. All right, one little girl so far. If that's all. What'd you say?
I'll be right back.
Okay. Scarlett is such a good mom. Okay, it's about 10:30, and I'm going out to check on Scarlett and her baby to make sure they're doing good before we go to bed. All right, it's Wednesday, guys, and today's activity is we're trying scoot boots on our horses. So we've got a bunch of different sizes that we were sent, and we're going to see which ones fit. But I've watched a couple YouTube videos, so hopefully it's not going to be too complicated. I feel like I have a good grasp, but it is muddy. Let me turn the camera. Time in Ohio, which I love because look at how pretty it is. Love me some dandelions. But it is muddy because it rains basically at least part of every day, and it's very gray. But it's warm. I'm only in a jacket, and I get to check on little baby. So we're calling her Gamora because her mom's name is Marvel, so it's gonna be, no, her grandma's name is Marvel. Her daughter's name, that scared the crud out of me. I was like, something is coming to get me, but it's just chickens. Huh, Vanda? Oh, yeah, Miss Betty? Oh, that scared me so bad. Her mom's name is the Scarlet Witch because her mom's name is Marvel. Marvel's siblings were Avenger and Thor, I believe. So we're sticking with the Marvel theme. We're gonna call her Gamora. She's really cute. Okay, this black mamba won't leave the barn because it's really windy. But look at that Parker boy. Marble, she loves to go in there. Parker baby. Oh, he's so cute. My baby voice is obnoxious, I'm sorry, but I can't help but speak in it. He says, I like that chicken. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. I gotta go and play with you. How do I do any? Oh, Irish, yes, you're beautiful too. You're beautiful. And then we got these guys. Is your little boy leaving today, party? Where is he? Oh, it's you right here. This one, Ripple. He's leaving today to go to his forever home with a friend of ours. He's gonna be used as a buck. So we're very excited because he's a really nice boy. And then I think she's leaving Saturday, and hopefully the girls are leaving Saturday. But let's get to the star of the show. Where is she? Oh, she's sleeping in the water bucket. All right, Scarlett, let's see your little Gamora. I'll do you one better. Wise Gamora. That's from the Avengers. I think it's from the Infinity Wars. That's the wrong spot. That's the wrong spot, baby girl. I love that little tail wag. Look at that. It's so cute. Little tail go. Scarlett, you did so good. She is doing so good. Best little mom. We gotta check the udder. Udder alert. Okay, so that side, I don't think the baby's drinking out of. This side is really loose. This side, not so much. So I'm going to grab something to milk her into. We hung the bucket up because Gamora was very interested in it and actually stepped in it while I was watching her. And that's how babies drown. Look at how cute she is, though. She's so dark, she looks just like her dad, Stagley. I have finally caught it on camera. There are 2 chickens in this nesting box. Oh my gosh. You guys are cuckoo. Oh, we need to clean that. That's gross. Why are you guys pooping in it? Milked out Irish was uneven. Oh, she's still kind of uneven, but she's a lot better. And we're gonna see if Parker wants any. Are you gonna drink any?
Oh my gosh, I love him. He's so cute.
Yes. You
Irish,
would
do you
carry
want
him
some?
around in your coat everywhere you went.
Do you want some?
Yes. Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
Yeah, he is
Oh.
cute.